Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot open any websites on browsers in iPhone 15 Plus. So as you can see, right here we have our browser, and if we try to refresh this website, it doesn't work, and the same as if we try to open anything else, it also doesn't work. And to fix this, we need to open our settings, go for General, enter date and time, and enable set time automatically. Now you can wait a few moments and open your browser again, try to refresh a page, and it works fine. And let's also try the Apple page, also works great. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.